Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with LooksRare Marketplace step by step clearly. To register with LooksRare Marketplace, first, visit the official LooksRare website. On the homepage, locate and click on the Connect Wallet button. A pop-up will appear, prompting you to choose a compatible wallet. Select your preferred wallet from the options available, such as MetaMask, Wallet Connect, or Coinbase Wallet. If you are using MetaMask, ensure your wallet is already set up and logged in. Once selected, follow the on-screen instructions to connect your wallet. You may need to approve the connection in your wallet interface. After successfully connecting your wallet, you will be directed to your account dashboard. Here, click on the profile icon typically found at the top right corner of the screen. In the Profile drop-down, select the option labeled Account Settings. This section will allow you to customize your profile. Fill in any necessary information, such as a username and profile picture. Once you have completed your profile, make sure to save your changes. You are now registered with LooksRare and can explore the marketplace. Take some time to familiarize yourself with the layout and available features. You can begin buying, selling, or minting NFTs in just a few steps from here. Always ensure your wallet is secure and that you understand the transaction fees associated with your activities. Now you are ready to enjoy all that LooksRare has to offer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.